Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and ensuring the phone is ready. Back up to Google or Samsung Cloud, or copy files to a PC. This prevents permanent loss. Once backed up, make sure the battery is at least 50% and connect to Wi-Fi. This avoids interruptions. If possible, remove screen locks or note the PIN and Google/Samsung account for reactivation lock. Now, open Settings and tap General Management to start the factory reset process. You continue by executing the reset from Settings. Navigate to General Management, choose Reset, then Factory Data Reset. You're following the system's path. Read the warning screen carefully. This clears internal storage, so confirm your backups and note signed-in accounts. When asked, tap Reset, enter your device PIN or password to authorize, and finally tap Delete All. The phone will reboot and begin the wipe. This can take several minutes, so be patient as it restores factory settings. Once done, the device reboots to the initial setup wizard. Make sure to reconnect to Wi-Fi and sign in with your Google and Samsung accounts to restore settings and apps. If you encounter an activation or reactivation lock, use the original account credentials. This is required to complete setup. If the phone won't boot or is stuck, boot to recovery mode, try wiping the cache partition, and, if needed, perform the factory reset from recovery. This often resolves stubborn boot issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.